last year's champion, Mr. Derek Joney. And this year's champion, with a time of 2 minutes 53 and 72 ticks, may I call on Mr. Jason Ebolario from Baguio City. From Baguio City na lang dito. Oh, Facebook mo na! Facebook mo na! Facebook mo na! Okay, Facebook! Ready! Ready!
Go, Jason! Ikaw nag-isip!
Ilang base yun na, sanay ka nag-isay, taga-Baguio.
Malamig ko ulit! Naliligo!
From Kapuso! Ayan! Nakaligo na, diretso uwi na mamaya. Next, we move on sa last category. Kaya, pinakatuloy ang awarte. Binuhos ang buong cooler. Okay, we move on. The time of 2 minutes 17 and 31 ticks. May call on Mr. Mitchell. Mitchell lang yung nakalagay. Mitchell Calabaw. Sorry sir, napagutusan lang. The time of 2 minutes 14 and 7 ticks. May call on Team Uzi Racing. And that concludes our challenge. See you again next year, mga ka-babat.
Okay, lahat ng luwad. Picture sa mga pro. Lahat ng group. Lahat. Picture.